Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fastener screw on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is lost or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a T20 Torx bit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up the door here. So you can see right here, we're missing our fastener screw, and that's going to hold a bracket in on the inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the door off, and to do that, we're going to need to take out the two Phillips head screws right here. So now we've got the screws out, we can lift up on the door, and then with this one, you should be able to just get it out. And it might take a couple tries, but you're going to be removing this piece right here, which fits nicely into that hole. So now to get the two halves of the door apart, we're going to be removing these panhead screws. And now that we've got all those screws out, you should just be able to lift the top half right out from where the bottom was. So now that we have the two halves apart, you'll see we have this big piece of plastic right here. And to get that off, we're also going to need to remove these screws here. And you'll see that once you've got the screws out, that plastic piece just drops right out. So now we're going to carefully lift it up and hold the glass there in place so it doesn't fall out. So you'll notice here that we've got a bracket that's holding the glass in place here, and I'm just going to push on this lightly. You'll see there's nothing holding it up top. What actually happened was when the screw came out or broke off or whatever, the bracket that was holding the piece in place just fell down on the inside of the plastic there. So now we can replace this bracket by getting our new screw and screwing it in place. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement fastener screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we'll put our bracket in place here, and we'll line up the hole, then go to the other side and screw in our fastener screw by hand a little bit. And once it's in place, set the door glass down, nice and gentle. And we're going to be using a VT20 bit. You'll see that in the middle it's got a hole in it because the screw that we're screwing in also has a protrusion right in the middle. It's a special screw, so we need this special bit to screw it in. So now we'll tighten up our screw. And once that's nice and tight, you'll see that the glass is securely in place now. It's not going to fall out. So now we're going to line up the large plastic piece here with the holes here and here, and we'll screw this back in now. So once you've got those lined up, you can flip it over, and you're going to want to hold it in place with one hand while you start a screw, because otherwise it's going to fall out. So we'll just start that by hand here, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. We're going to push up on the plastic from behind and get our screw started in there. And now that we've got those in place, we can tighten the screws up. Now we can put the two halves of the door back together. So we're just going to line up screw holes. Okay. And once you've got everything lined up, you can screw it back together. Now that we've got the door put back together, we'll put the hinge back onto the frame here. And you're just going to line up that square peg with the square slot, drop it in, and then you're going to line up the screw hole and screw it back in. And once you've got that screwed back into place, you can close your door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.